Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to check Chrysler 300 transmission fluid. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Warm the engine until normal temperature is reached, then keep the car running while you check. Open the hood, locate the transmission dipstick, and wipe it clean. Reinsert and remove the dipstick to read level and color. Note any burnt smell and check for metal particles in the fluid. Begin by keeping the engine idling and the car level for accurate reading. With gloves on, pull the transmission dipstick and wipe it clean with a lint-free cloth. Reinsert the dipstick fully, then remove it again to check both the level and the color. Proper fluid should be pink to red and free of burnt odor. If the level is low, add the manufacturer-recommended fluid slowly and recheck until correct. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like so you won't miss future guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, I've been enjoying The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can change how you think about money and savings, perfect while you wait during service. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you pick it up you might thank me later. Now let's get back to the video. If your fluid has a burnt smell or dark color, suspect overheating or clutch wear, and consider a change or inspection. Discovering metal shavings or thick sludge indicates internal wear and calls for professional diagnosis. Overfilled transmission fluid can cause foaming and shifting issues, so drain to the proper mark if needed. Keep notes of readings, date, and mileage so you can track changes and decide when service is necessary.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.